Let us take question number 12. I am reading the question. A simply supported beam weighs 30 kilonewton and having a span of 6 meter, full stop. What will be the position of load 50 kilonewton from left support such that left hand support reaction is limited to 30 kilonewton? This is the question which we have. So with the help of this question, let us see and write the data first. A simply supported beam is given, weighs 30 kilonewton. The weight of the beam is given. So I'll write down W, that is the weight of the beam, 30 kilonewton. And having a span of 6 meter. Span indicates length. What will be the position of load 50 kilonewton from left support such that the left hand support reaction is limited to 30 kilonewton? So if I say this is beam AB, here I'll call it as RA, RB. Left hand support reaction is given. It is 30 kilonewton. So left hand support reaction is RA. I'll say that RA is 30 kilonewton. Now, here we have 50 kilonewton load whose position is asked. What will be the position? Means what will be the position of a 50 kilonewton load? I need to know its position from the left hand support, which is, I'll say the position is first of all distance x. I have to find out the position. What will be the position of load 50 kilonewton from left support such that the left hand support reaction is limited to 30 kilonewton. So this much is the question which we have, wherein we need to give the direction of, or you can say the distance of 50 kilonewton load from left hand support. Now load is also given. Since load is given, remember whenever they give you the value of load of the beam, consider that load to be acting exactly at the center of the beam. It means if the length is 6 meter, so at 3 meter distance, you can say from both the sides, the load will be acting, which is 30 kilonewton. Now, this question is relatively simple. Here we need to just find out the value of x. I'll say that solution. Since I know RA, I will be taking the moments of all forces about point B. So I will say applying conditions of equilibrium. Applying conditions of equilibrium, I'll be taking the moment, that is I will be using the condition that sum of therefore I will be taking the moments of all forces at point B. So it will be summation of moments of all forces about point B is equal to 0, where clockwise moments I'll take it as positive and anti-clockwise moments I'll take them as negative. Therefore, if I take the moments, RA is acting upward, so the moment would be clockwise, so it will be plus RA into 6. Then here we have 50 kilonewton. Its distance with A is 6 is x. Okay, so from B it will be 6 minus x. So I'll write it as plus. It will be producing anti-clockwise moment. So it would be negative minus 50 into 6 minus x. Then again this W would be producing anti-clockwise moment. So minus W into 3, that's equal to 0. Therefore RA is 30 given. Here I have minus this. If I open the bracket, this will be minus 50 into 6 minus 300, then it will be plus 50 x minus W is 30 into 3, that's equal to 0. Therefore, I will be having this as minus, this will be plus 180 minus 300. So it will be plus 180 minus 300, that comes out to be minus 120, and this I have as minus 90 plus 50x is equal to 0. If I calculate this, this will be minus 210. If I shift it onto the other side, so plus 210. So plus 210 divided by 50. Therefore, I will have x is equal to, my answer comes out to be 4.2 meter. It means if I divide 210 by 50, I would be getting it as 4.2 meter. Means this 50 kilonewton load, it would be placed at a distance of 4.2 meter from point A. And this was asked in the question and we have solved it. So this completes the question.